Hey gamers, my name is Butumela and welcome to Butumela Mashishi Channel Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. Enjoy this video. Consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we are gonna be playing this guy's favorite game. So, Productions. I'm not being differently and safe for kids to play. So I'm gonna play some Brookhaven. Even though Brookhaven is so old, but an update just came out today. We're playing. Yeah, I really like Max Hobby for VIP. But I'm not gonna be a streamer. I'll be a streamer until we hit 50. So we're playing. Yeah, this is Squid Game. We're not gonna be playing that. Today we're playing a limited easy obby. Yeah, that's the game we'll be playing. I wanna begin the game. So it's from banana. I wanna eat some banana. I wanna eat some banana. I wanna eat some banana. Banana. We are gonna eat some bananas. Alright guys, we started. Let's get started. This hobby must be easy. Yeah, I love playing hobby games a lot. So let's see if I can beat this hobby. Okay, that was good. We're gonna climb all the way up, Yeah, I don't know how I climb. I climb like I'm a gold. Dude, one of these hobbies looks hard. Oh my gosh. I wanna fall down there. So cool. Let's go there. Ooh, that was a close one. Got falling down. Wait, what? I can literally dodge. This is easy. Very easy, like a crocodile. Crocodile. Whee! Yay! Now these hobbies are so easy. Yeah, I never seen an easy obby like this before. Wee. Climb up. Since I don't have my headphones with me, I can't find it, guys. I'll get a new one instead. If I can't find it, I'm just gonna get a new one. Yeah, I'll get a dog headphone one. It's a dog one, not a cat one. One of these obbies look impossible, so I think it's this way. Oh, it was that way. Oh my god. You know how, guys, I'm terrible at obbies, so that was the wrong side. I forgot to look at them. No. I'm a bad player in Roblox. Which way? Is it this way? Is it this way? Oh, that was a close one. I almost got something wrong. No, not now. I don't want to add a favorite. Oh my gosh. Easy. Ooh, la la la. Okay, so I have to climb up. Yeah, I don't know how long do I climb. Let's climb up here. Climb up there. Climb up here. Easy. Whoa, I almost fell down there. It's disturbing. Whee! Did I fall down? It's only 709 Robux. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of Robux. I haven't seen many Robux like that before. I'm confused. Which one is the right one? This one? Which one is the right one? That one? Oh, which one? I'm confused. Guys, tell me in the comments. But I almost got confused, so I mustn't go to that red spike. It's so hard. It's harder than before. Okay, let's do it. Wait, before we start the video, I wanna say hi to all of you guys. So let's get started. Ooh, that was a close one. I almost got an attack. Dude, so I have to pick some of them. Let's pick this one. That's the main part. That was so easy. How was it? Man, this is an easy obby. Maybe I can beat this because it's so easy. I almost fell down there. So we have to go down. Whoa! What are those? Oh my gosh. These are not my favorite levels in this game when I was playing this game before. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? It's an impossible game, guys. I'm calling it an impossible game. Whoa! I think this game you have to move your player. Whoa! Woo! Okay. Woo! There's another You are doing great. Oh, thank you. Yeah, even though I'm doing bad. I don't wanna get it. Ah! That was a close one. I was almost close to that red thingy. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys. Alright. Right. I'll never gonna give up. I will never ever in my life. Let's see if I can beat this that time. Let's go. You went too fast, that's why. It's because you were running. I was so close there. Oh my gosh. Let's go. How do I? Whoa, oh my gosh, dude. That's just an easy one. Oh my gosh. This does not get higher and higher. Oh my gosh. Jump down, jump down. Easy peasy. So we must not go there. So we have to go there. It's so easy. Okay. Let's go. Yeah, it's so easy. How come these obbies like this get easy? I thought it gets harder. Whoa! What am I? Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, this is the next obby. I don't know what I was that for, so let's go. Whoa! What was that? Oh, Suna's puppets. Don't want you. Whoa, I almost fell down. Can I go past? Wait, what happens if I go there? What happens? Oh, I fall down. This is how. Okay, now let's run. Run. Look, that was a close one. I almost got fall down. Oh, this is so silly. Why am I doing this? Let's climb up. Let's climb up. We're going up. Easy, girl. Is this obby trolling me? Oh my gosh, it's showing me. I don't want to. Let's check that actional request has complete. Oh, he literally has complete the obby, but I didn't complete the obby. Let's do this time. Great. You got to be kidding me. Let me just type me the view system. Yeah, I wanna complete this obby. gonna complete the obby. I wanna complete this obby. Oh my gosh. How does this take long? Come on. Yes. Now that's how we call it easy. This is not even an easy obby. Like, this is weird. So you must. Now I'm at stage 37. Stage 38. This is 38. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Dude, I just fall down. I just fall down. Sorry, guys. It's impossible. Jump. What is this? Which one's the right one? This one. Is it? What is it? It's the right one. It's not an easy obby. That's why. Oh my gosh, no. Yeah, I don't remember. So it's this one. The second one is this one. Okay, the third one. Oh, that one. Then this one is that one. Yeah. What is the last one? This one. No! It's the blue one. Oh my god. No. Let's just go there. It's so hard. No! Man, this is a long video. So hard. I'll never lose my hopes. Okay. Level 50. Oh, what happened? So, let's go. Where? Let's go to the mystery box. Let's go. Yeah, that's me. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. I'm not see what is the mystery box about. That was almost long. Well, guys, that's it for today. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give this oh my gosh. Please give this video wait, how do I say this intro? I don't know. Wait, if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the subscribe button below. Then turn on the bell so that you can miss any awesome videos like this. Subscribing you. And thank you so much for listening. And thank you so much for not skipping until the end of the video. You guys are awesome. Well, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.